Hello everyone, it's Mervin, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go from long hair to short hair without cutting your hair.
Good boy, gone
Hello everyone, it's Mervin here, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your long hair for school. Yeah, so in the Philippines, they don't allow male students to grow their hair out really long like this. So I actually did a trick that can help you prevent getting a haircut without them noticing. So yeah, your hair should be in a long undercut before you do this hiding process. If you grow all your hair out, it wouldn't be possible. But anyway, this is my haircut right now. So yeah, only the top section of my hair is long right here. So yeah, like the bottom section of my hair is shaved, even at the back right here. So yeah, that's the haircut that you should go for before you hide your hair like this. So before I show you how I hide my hair, I just want to show you guys how long my hair really is. Yeah, so anyway, let's start hiding our hair, and yeah. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna gather all the long sections at the top and like put it in the side like this. A little bit at the back, but yeah, mostly on the side right here. So it should be like that. Then you're gonna grab an elastic and you're gonna just tie it into a loose ponytail, just like this. There. After you did that, you're just gonna like style the top of the hair, whatever you want it to be like. This is a very important process to make it look more natural. You should like style it the way you like it. Like it should look like a short hair. So yeah, it shouldn't be even. Okay, I think I'm done fixing the top of my hair. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna braid this ponytail right here and just do a 3-strand braid. Very simple. Okay, so after you braid your hair like this, you're just gonna grab another elastic right here and you're just gonna put the elastic right there to secure it. And yeah, now that you braided like the length of your hair, what you need to do is make a hole like right here where you want to tuck in your braid. So yeah, this is the long braid. Just gonna tuck it in that hole. Yeah, make sure it goes in. And yeah, after you tuck in your hair, you're just gonna need a lot of clip. So yeah, it's just a simple bobby pin that you're gonna put like 20 bobby pins, 20 to 30 bobby pins. I'm just gonna start clipping the way I like it to secure the braids and keep it from falling out. Yeah, now that I'm done clipping my hair up, I'm just gonna use like a gel right here. I just dilute it with water so it's more liquidy. I don't know if that's a word, but that's the word I'm gonna go for today. So yeah, I'm just going to like spray it all over my hair just to style it a lot better. Yeah, so I'm done clipping my hair right here. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry up and I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. So yeah guys, I think my hair is all dried up, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looked like. So this is what it looked like from the side, the other side, and this is what it looked like at the back. So yeah, that's what it looked like, and I must say that it is very effective because I've gone to school many times and no one knows that I have long hair. So yeah, I hope that you guys should try this trick too if you wanna continue your hair growth or you are determined to grow your hair out. So anyway, thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!